Thinking about leaving Etsy, or just need a clean break from your account? Here's how to permanently close your Etsy account in a few simple steps. First, it's important to know that this can't be done in the Etsy app. You'll need to use a browser and head over to Etsy.com. Once you're on the homepage, tap the profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. A small drop-down menu will appear. Scroll down and select Account Settings. This will open your settings page. From the list of available options, look for and click on Close Your Account. Etsy will now show a detailed explanation of what closing your account means. This includes losing access to your purchase history, favorites, and messages. Take a moment to read through this carefully so you're fully informed before continuing. If you're sure you want to proceed, scroll down and click the Close Account button. Your Etsy account is now permanently closed. Keep in mind this action can't be undone. If you ever want to return, you'll need to create a new account from scratch. If this guide helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more clear and helpful app tutorials.